Okay, go. No. You can't eat it yet. Okay, I'll put it right here. Helen, don't put your head forward.
I can't do it.
Don't make your head flat, though. Have to make it like a little bit close. Yeah, that's good. Wait, and go.
Can't move my eyebrow muscles. Yay.
Blink! Blink! Oh! Oh! Oh no. Mm.
She basically resents me for not taking Craig back after his affair. Of course, you broke up the family.
Blink her like really fast.
I think she blames me for it. Not like you lit the fire. Yeah.
Oh! No, you can't eat it yet!
Okay.
No, not yet. You have to make it go in your mouth, and then you can eat it. No, Apollo.
Ow.
Oh. And go. That's cheating. Yeah, it is. Yeah, no.
Yeah, no?
Yeah, no. It's not. Turn your head, turn your head. Oh.
I can't do this.